Hello, I'm Kippy Spurgill, and I'm excited to tell you today about a new disinfectant that has been specially formulated for the professional beauty industry called Prevention. Now, I know you may be thinking that the last thing you need is another disinfectant, and you're probably right. But what the spas and the salons do need is a better disinfectant. Prevention delivers the perfect balance between user safety and efficacy. It's fast and it's effective and it doesn't use harsh chemicals. This is formulated with accelerated hydrogen peroxide. Most of the disinfectants in the beauty industry are quats or bleaches or alcohols or combinations thereof, and they come with a lot of safety warnings. Use with gloves, wear goggles, you can't throw it out, special storage requirement. But with Prevention, you don't need any of that. Prevention is the first disinfectant that was created for salons and spas that boasts a 1-minute contact time. What does that mean? 1 minute kills bacteria, viruses, fungi, and TB. So what's the big deal? Well, other disinfectants can be 10 times as long. That means constant reapplication to make sure you keep the surfaces wet for the full contact time so that you kill the pathogens. With Prevention, it's 1 minute, one easy set of directions, one contact time for everything. What could be easier? And today, I'd like to show you our new starter pack, specially created for salons and spas. What you get is a 32-ounce ready-to-use disinfectant liquid that you can spray, and we include in the kit a sprayer that you're going to reuse and a second bottle of the liquid, a canister of 160 wipes, and this is an industry changer. We are the first people to launch a refill for the wipes in the beauty industry. So when your canister is empty, you pop the lid off, you put the new refill in, and put the lid back on. By using the refill wipes, Beauty Professional is not only going to save money, about 20% over the cost of a new canister, but also help save the planet by reducing the amount of recycling that they are doing. And also in our new starter pack, we're putting some marketing aids for the salon to use to show their customers they're serious about disinfection and they care. And we also include a link to our free online certification course where the beauty pro can learn more about how to use Prevention and get their certificate that they can display proudly in their salon. This new kit will be available later in April, and we hope that you will join the movement to Prevention and bring your beauty pros a faster, safer, easier way to disinfect their spas and salons.